It's quite a small room because classics is a bit smaller. I know the law faculty, for example, has this big room, but classics is quite small. Everyone sits down, they hand out a handout, and it depends lecturer to lecturer on what the handout contains. Sometimes it's got almost the whole lecture and you won't need to make many notes, and other times it's got very few and you need to be making more notes, and that honestly just depends on their preference. And yeah, they're usually about 50 minutes because they usually start 5 past and finish around 5 to. Sometimes it's quite noisy because everyone's typing, but you can always hear. And they're very useful sort of as an introduction to lots of things you wouldn't know about. And not everyone goes to every lecture, but I remember at the start of term it was full, and now it's definitely nowhere near that amount. But I find them very useful, and I think that if you've got an essay on a topic, yes, you can go and read about some of the content in a lecture, but often it's nice to get the lecturer's opinion and have a basis to go off. That's usually why I go to find out people's opinions and see where that fits in with the reading.